This is a quick demo for the regen Twinplex receiver on 40 meters band, SSB now. Yeah, not so bad. So of course this receiver is not tailored, during this time, during the old time, during the 30s from the last centuries, there is no SSB. So this receiver is mostly for AM broadcast, and you can use also for CW, but for SSB, it's okay, it's working, but no problem, yeah. I will try for some CW signal. If I can catch some CW. Yeah, some CW signal. Maybe some more. So you can, yeah, this is an Indonesian station, yeah, for the celebration, I cannot remember, yeah. Yeah, unfortunately we have a lot of pirate SSB mode, yeah, this is terrible, yeah. The signal maybe? Yeah, SSB again. Yeah, not so bad. To be honest, this receiver is, the sensitivity it's quite good, to be honest. The sensitivity is quite good. Maybe it's too good. In fact, the amplification level, and especially with this kind of tube, is quite high. So that's why you have a lot of tuning capabilities in the front panel, because you need to adjust the tuning accordingly. If the signal is too strong, your RF will be totally saturated and the AF will be very bad. So there is no AGC, ALC on whatsoever. Of course, there is no circuit to adjust the RF gain or this kind of thing. So this is really a bulk and very simple. I think this is the simplest receiver you can find, on this. This is of course a technology from the 30s, from the last century. Yeah, you see, for SSB, because there is no BFO on this kind of thing, so the adjustment is a little bit tricky, but it's okay so far. I can. So the good thing, there is no background noise, spurious, hum or hiss from the 50 or 70 hertz. So this is really good, according with this technology. And the receiver using tube, can provide you a nice AF on audio. So I like to listen to music, mostly during daytime when I am in the shack, soldering and so on. I use this receiver to listen for some broadcasts, BBC World, French news and whatsoever. Yeah. So yeah, it's quite nice, or some music also. So the sound quality is really, really good, considering this very old time technology. So far so good. My best 73, guys.